well, I got neuropathy as a side effect from chemo, and that was in 2018, in the fall of 2018. So then last year, so 2020, so it was 2 years that I'd had the neuropathy. Then we got the ad in the paper, and my husband says, why don't we see if this guy can help you? So we came, and he did. I am so much better, it's unbelievable. I wasn't able to go to the grocery store without taking a cart, even if I was just picking up bananas or 1 or 2 things. I had to have a cart to help me walk through the stores. And when we went to the beach, we pretty much just stayed in our chair because I couldn't get up and walk in the sand. And they hurt bad. It was hard to even get dressed in the morning, trying to put my feet in my pant legs because my toes wouldn't operate right. And so I came here, and it was close to the end of the time when we were going to be going back home. So I got to meet everybody pretty good because I was here every day that they were open, and I did all the treatments. I did everything at home. And I did all of them up through summertime to where I ran out of stuff. And so now I'm not doing any of that anymore, but they are still so much better, it's unbelievable. I mean, I walk the beach, I play golf 2-3 times a week. I can run in the grocery store without a golf cart, without a grocery cart. Yes. And my husband will say, I can't keep up with you anymore.
Oh, that's fantastic.
It's just so much better. It's wonderful. Yeah. It's well worth coming in and having the treatments and taking the additives or whatever, supplements.
Supplements, right.
And, just be faithful and do it because it will wake your nerves back up. It's wonderful. I mean, if you don't try to take care of yourself, nobody else is